A mic. We have a mic. I've been wanting to elevate to a mic for a while. Hello, welcome to another vlog. I am drained, but I have so much to do. I got home from work maybe about an hour ago, which is much earlier than normal. I went and worked at a different store today than my normal store, and my hours were just earlier, so I got home earlier, which was great. The worst part about it was it took me an hour and 10 minutes to get to work, but it took me 2 hours to get home. So fun, so fun. Anyway, I got a mic. I got a wireless mic. And we're gonna try it out. So the reviews on Amazon were pretty good. I've tried using this mic, the one with the transmitter that plugs in like this, or there's another one that I have, or that I bought, and they don't sound the best on like my camera. They sound great on my phone, but they sound a hot mess on my camera. So I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So I decided to buy some mics. So there are, okay, what I really like about this whole thing is a charging case. And the mics are these little mics here. And this is magnetic. You can take this, you can pin it to the inside of your shirt. I know you've seen like where you see the person's mic and it's just like literally sitting on their chest. Super cool. I love that. They have a power button on the side. I'm going to try that, but first I'm going to plug up the actual, I want to say it's called a receiver. Yeah, I think it's called a receiver. On the camera. I'm going to set it all up and I'm going to come back and hopefully be mic'd up. That is the goal. So yeah, wish me luck. Wish me luck that it works and that it sounds great. I'm really hoping that it sounds great. So let me get the instructions just in case. Okay, this is a mic check. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Okay, and we're gonna walk outside the room. I'm gonna check the mic. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Hey. Okay, it's moving, right? Isn't it moving? Yes, it is. Okay, we've got a mic. We have a mic. We have a mic. I've been wanting to elevate to a mic for a while, and I literally had this mic marked in my Amazon cart, and I left it there for a long time, and then the price went down. I think this was $60. So I think that's a good price for mics. Especially if you do your research, like they're like $80 to like $130. Like that's a bit much. Is a bit much for me. So I was waiting for a mic, and then this one comes with a warranty, replacement warranty, and it says it's a free warranty. I just have to scan the little code on there. I wanted to make sure it worked though before I like went through the hassle of doing the warranty, and I feel like I'm liking it. So yeah, I'm going to watch this footage back. I'm also going to sit here and edit a video. So I'm just in constant editing mode because we're doing Vlogmas. That's what we're doing. So I am constantly editing every single day. Every single day I'm doing some type of editing. So I have to do that to like stay on top of my videos, because if not, I'll run out of time. Also, at about 15 minutes, I have a call for a new travel agent or a new client with my travel agent business to potentially book them for a cruise. So that's great. I'm like feeling good about that. Feeling good about it. I'm getting in the groove, and like consistently like looking at the crew stuff. Now I need to like do more trainings to really like keep up with like constant knowledge. And then of course, like doing more postings, doing more videos, doing more things like that online too will just help overall getting more clients to like come in and like know that I do travel and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, that's great. Anyway, I'm going to edit this video so I can get some editing done before I have to get on this call, because that'll be great. If I can do that. Yeah. So let's do some editing. Insurance. Do you want travel insurance, or do you want to wait and see? Like once we get your room booked, and then and basically I'll send you the travel insurance automatically, as far as like the price, and then you can decide from there. So it's like it goes per cabin. So because you're getting a balcony cabin, it is $300 for the cabin, at least $300. It could be a little more, a little less, but it'll give me the final price once I put the booking in. Oh yeah, until the final payment, so February. Oh, okay. This mic, game changer, okay? It is amazing. I love it. I love every second of it. I am finished my work, so I literally need to go fix my daughter something to eat. I did not finish editing, but you know what? I might be able to finish editing. Sorry, I was putting on my pants. I apologize. Actually, I might be able to finish editing, but I booked another cruise. Hey, okay. Booked another client. So excited about it. Got a booking in. Love that for me. So, yeah, we just keep pushing forward. Just keep doing the things. But yeah, I think I can finish this before I have to go fix her food. Like before I have to go. I probably have to go right now, but but I'm also, if I can get the video done and it can export, and it would be great. That would be really great for me. I'm gonna 10 minutes, just 10 minutes. Okay. I finished editing the vlog, which is great. It is literally rendering and then exporting right now. So now I'm about to go fix my daughter some food. Like the turnarounds be crazy. Let me just tell you, the turnarounds be crazy. Anyway, turnarounds be crazy. But so I'm about to fix my daughter some food. I'm going to fix her some grilled cheese. We've been on this challenge. Well, I've been on this challenge with her. She's not trying to challenge herself with not having fast food. Basically only having fast food once a week, because pretty much she's just gotten a really bad habit of being spoiled. And my lovely father would basically buy her Burger King every day. And we can't do that. So I have to do my part and be a good mom and fix the food. She has to do her part and tell me what she likes and what she doesn't like. And yeah, so we need to go fix grilled cheese. My tripod is not tripoding.
You guys got trash?
I have some, yes. It's behind my door. Mayonnaise is the key to the best grilled cheese. The key. I promise you. I also have to hide this. The fact that I use mayonnaise for my daughter. Because if she saw this mayonnaise, she would be like, what are you doing? 100% she would. But it's delicious and she loves it every time, and she wants me to make the sandwich over her. And she just doesn't have to know that there's mayonnaise on the outside. You use mayonnaise instead of butter on the outside of the sandwich. And it is key. It is clutch. Okay? Don't knock it till you try it. You do not taste the mayonnaise. All it does is crisp up the sandwich on the outside, and it gives you like a good mouthfeel, because that's what it is. It's the fat, and then you're cooking the fat down. It gives you a great mouthfeel, great flavor. Okay? Don't knock it till you try it. You know what? That's the thing with vlogging. Like, talking like we're on FaceTime, because you like think things in your head. Like, oh, if I do this, someone's gonna think that I didn't wash my hands. Yes, I washed my hands. Boo, nobody's thinking about you. Nobody is thinking about the fact that, you know, if you washed your hands or not. They're not eating your sandwich. They're not eating your grilled cheese. Why are they worried about it? They're not in fact worried. That's the thing with vlogging, guys. That is the thing with vlogging. Are you enjoying the vlogs? I think I'm enjoying the challenge. This is a challenge. This is a serious challenge. And I've been working on my YouTube channel for years. My very first YouTube channel was a hair channel, and I worked that up to 2,000 subscribers, but I didn't have very good viewer engagement. So then I made a new channel, this channel, and when I changed it to this channel, I started off with like fitness, not like fitness as in like showing you my workouts, but just like fitness as in showing you that I work out and like what I'm doing to lose weight. Oh, it's my YouTube channel. Is it talking? Oh, I gotta go turn it off. So yeah, now this channel is vlogging, book-related content. Yeah. Fast money. All right, that's literally heating up. I'm going to fix this and then go get her because Mama can't be late. Can't do it today. Nope. It's time for bed. It's later than what I want it to be, so I don't think I'm going to read tonight. I really want to read, but I'm enjoying my book. So that means if I start reading, I have to consciously tell myself to stop reading. And sometimes it doesn't happen in a timely manner. I have a massive headache. Well, it's not massive. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, it's like a 6. Earlier, it was like an 8, but it's not as bad. I was like, maybe I need to eat something. And then I was like, ooh, I bought this ice cream. I do not like this ice cream. My friend told me to get it, and it sounded great. I'm not a fan. It's Haagen-Dazs, and I really don't ever get Haagen-Dazs brand, but I got it this time, and I'm disappointed. So I've been doing okay with my like everyday planning, note-taking system. Just trying to get into a good habit, a good rhythm every day. That will help me. I mean, the main thing is to just like be in a rhythm, right? I have a little bit of makeup on my eye, but I don't have something to get it off with. It's super annoying. Anyway, so yeah, my headache is like on this like 6 scale. I probably need to drink some water, to be honest. Excuse me. Yeah. Doing okay. Doing all right. I could be doing better. I could be doing worse, but I could be doing better. Oh, yeah. So I had some. I did not make that ground beef. I'm sleepy. I'm all over the place. But yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna do any reading tonight. I want to read so badly. I've been reading Twilight. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be together in the video. I'm on page 233, this far of the way, so like halfway, literally like 50%. And it's interesting because like I remember the story one way, and as I'm reading it, I'm like, oh, I remember this. Oh, I remember this. Oh, I remember this. I need to, yeah, I want to read so badly, but I'm not going to because I'm sleepy. So I'm literally just going to lay down. Maybe I'll read just a few pages because it really does help my brain. Because like even just now I was like, oh, I'm not going to read. Maybe I'll turn on the video. But I've been doing pretty good not turning on a video before bed. I failed one day yesterday. But that's because I was listening to a members call from my travel group that I'm in. I was listening to their call, so like kinda I was on my phone, kinda not. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna read like 10 pages. That's it. That's it. That's it. It's so good. Maybe I should do like a little tandem read like this and Midnight Sun at the same time, getting Edward's thoughts and Bella's thoughts. Bro, I feel like it might take me a long time, but it would also be worth it. Anyway, it's time for bed. It's beyond time for bed. I think I'm doing a pretty good job as of right now with keeping my reading going at night. I've definitely seen an increase in, or not an increase, but a difference in the mornings. When I go to get up, I'm not as tired. I've also like adjusted my calories. I don't think I was, well, I know I wasn't eating enough calories. And now I am, I think, at least close to enough. I'm eating a lot of whole foods, a lot of protein. I'd be like craving sugar, but once I have it, it's like usually not what I want. Like I tried to have some ice cream earlier and I literally only had a little bit in the bowl and I ended up throwing it away. It was just too sweet. It just wasn't right. I literally threw it away and I ate a handful of blueberries and pepperoni. Like legit. So I yeah. Oh, I'm sleepy. Yep. Tomorrow is Friday. It was great. What do I need to do tomorrow? I don't really have any specific plans. I really need to twist my daughter's hair this weekend, but other than that, no specific plans. So it's a regular working weekend, one day closer to vacation.